Oh, I didn't notice you guys there. Well, everybody, this is here 699, and welcome to a science-related video. Yeah, you heard me right, science-related. If you guys don't know what inertia is, or Newton's first law of motion, then you're out of luck. So, inertia is Newton's first law, and I'm going to be singing about it today for extra credit in my science class. So, yeah. And the instrumental for this is going to be in the description. It's not my own music because I don't want to make any more music anymore, except for Trapped Inside of the Mind, which was supposed to be released yesterday. But since my recording mucked up, yeah. Please sponsor me, Fanta and is it Sunkist or Circust? I don't know how to say the other brand of orange. And then we have this one. But please sponsor me. I need money. I'm kidding. Newton's first law of motion. You can say that it's very particular in a way that people may call it inertia. And so, inertia is Newton's first law. Everybody should know that. Newton's first law is inertia. An object that stays at rest stays at rest. And an object that's moving at the speed of light will stay that way until they hit an unbalanced force. Newton's first law, inertia. Inertia, yay. Inertia is the first law of motion. It all depends on mass. Inertia is a type of mass. Inertia. Some objects tend to keep doing what they're doing, like what I am doing. Everybody's doing. Like how you're watching this video. You're being lazy. It's inertia. Newton's first law. Objects that stay at rest stay at rest. Object that moves at the speed of sound stay that way until it hits an unbalanced force. It stops or goes. Inertia. Newton's first law, type of mass. The natural tendency of an object to resist change in its state of motion. That is inertia. One of the ways to say inertia. First law of motion. Law of inertia. Newton's first law of inertia. Everything moves on the way that it seems. If you're being lazy, that's how you'll stay. If things are moving super fast, they'll stay that way until they hit an unbalanced force. Newton's first law, inertia. Inertia. Yeah. An object's tendency is to resist change in its state of motion. Like, for instance, the gold bar versus a giant gold bar. Which one would be easier to push? The smaller one. The heavier the object, the more its tendency is to resist mass versus inertia. Large brick versus tiny brick. Inertia versus mass. Newton's first law. Inertia. Things keep doing what they're doing until they hit a balanced force. They do whatever they do. Newton's first law. Inertia. Inertia, yeah. The tendency of an object is to resist changes to its state of motion. Mass, the measure of its inertia. Inertia! Newton's first law. Things that stay in motion stay in motion. Things that are at rest stay at rest. Inertia. Inertia. Newton's first law. Until something hits an unbalanced force, they keep doing what they're doing. I'm not only going to teach you about the first law, you want the third one also? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. What happens when two objects interact with each other? Like a soccer ball hitting the ground. Force on the table. Force of an object. It's Newton's third law and first law. Inertia versus gravity and force. Yeah, inertia and gravity and force. Yeah. Newton's three laws of motion and mass and physics. Every action. Oh yeah, I already said that. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Like how my fists are exactly the same. That's one force pushing one way, one force pushing the other. It's Newton's third law. But a frog swims. A frog would swim this way, then the other would be pointing this way. Or I could just do like this. This is a frog or tadpole. Well, mainly a frog. But how would a eagle or a bird look? It would be up and down. Newton's third law. Yeah. Every every action has an equal and opposite. Yeah, like when you shoot a bullet. It goes this way. And the other goes that way. It's Newton's third law. It's inertia. Newton's first law. Third law. This. Newton's three laws of motion and physics. It is Newton's three laws. Oh, you guys want to learn about the second law? Sure, why not? The force applied to an object is the product of the object's mass and its acceleration. F equals m times a. Newton's three laws! Newton's laws! Newton! Newtons! Isaac Newton. It's his three laws of motion. Or A equals F over M. You can do it that way. Mass goes up, acceleration goes down. So if you're standing in a boat, one goes this way, one goes that way. And that's on a boat. But how about on a big cruise ship boat? Not like one of those rowboats. Newton's three laws! Yeah, Newton's three laws. Newton's three laws. thank you, Miss Culla, of my science teacher, for letting me do this. I really enjoyed it, but it's past 10 o'clock. I don't know what to say, but else to say thank you. And to say this, just float in the water. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Goodbye. Look me in my eyes, tell me everything's not fine. All the people ain't happy, and the river has run dry. You thought you could go free, but the system is done for. If you listen real closely, there's a knock at your front door. You'll never get free, lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do? There's blood in the water. The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the for mercy. Admit you were toxic. You poisoned me just for another dollar in your pocket. Now I am the violence. I am the sickness. Won't accept your silence. Beg me for forgiveness. We'll never get free. Lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed, your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the water.